Okay guys, welcome to Chiang Mai. Evening market tour time. This market is located next to the gate in the old city. Just inside the gate. That's a big tub of sticky rice, huh? Look how much food is cooked here on the side of the road. Unbelievable. Oh, sorry. Shrimp, mussels, fish, salt-crusted fish, squid, fried fish, sausage, stuff I don't know. I have no idea what these are. Fried chicken, fried fish, fried pork, shrimp. Look at all the shrimp. Steamed tilapia, spicy clams. Those look really spicy. Normally they're really good. All kinds of dipping sauce. A fly. One fly. Must be hungry, huh? Unbelievable. And then there's more. These shrimp look really nice. That's squid. Vegetables. Look at all the curries. So much food. This one's got duck hanging in the window and pork feet dripping. Bags of salad and chocolate cake. Is your chocolate cake? Oh, then we come over to my favorite. Chicken liver on a stick. Chicken liver, pork liver, chicken hearts, pork, chicken gizzards, barbecue master. I do not know what's in the steamer. Oh, chicken legs. Drumsticks on a stick. Chicken wings. Oh, fried pork. I don't know what the basting sauce is, but she's putting it on with a paintbrush. And I think that's pretty cool. Look at all the sticky rice sitting up here. And this is in front of 7-Eleven. Khanom Crook. Check out this cast iron. That's got some years on it. That's for sure. Buy good cast iron, it'll last you a lifetime. It'll last you someone else's lifetime. I came here for this market. This market is dead. I actually did a video in here as a morning market. And that was pretty good. It was a good morning market. Hello. The smoothie station. There's a few things open in here, but this is not what they said online. There are a lot of professional reviewers in this province. People that put reviews on everything and have actually never been there. The crepe station. Peanut butter? You put peanut butter on your crepes? You put all kinds of stuff. Look, Nutella, sprinkles. Pamuk, huh? Pamuk? No, bento. Bento, yeah? Japanese bento. Sprinkles, jelly beans. Yeah. I have a lady following me here. Oh, pot stickers. Oh, I like the pan. Sorry, can you hear it? Oh, it sounds good, yeah? Homemade pan. Sitting on a gas burner. Cool, huh? That guy's starting off the night right. Oh, Lana. It's really good. These big noodles with this broth and vegetables, pork, really, really good. Check this out. Muga. Muga. Crunchy pork belly. Served with rice. Let's see. Muga. Ah, yeah, see right here. Sorry. This is crunchy pork belly. This stuff is deep fried. It's really good. Banana roti, huh? Uh-oh. Oh, he's stretching the dough. I thought he messed up. They put all kinds of condensed milk on these, make them too sweet for me. There's another stall getting set up. There's all kinds of food over here as well. They call this the gate market or something like that. There's always all kinds of stuff happening here at night. And maybe this is part of it. I'm not sure. Whoa. Squid, octopus, and beautiful snails. But you're just getting set up. Soda. Whoa. Korean chicken. Yes. You got some chicken tail on a stick? Yeah. Chicken ass, huh? Guy tooth, huh? Okay, this one looks very funny, huh? Oh, 100 grams. How many for 100 grams? I see about this a lot, yeah? How many?
150 baht.
One for 50 baht. 15. Sipa. Sip. For one. Oh, you crazy. You crazy. I bought these the other day for 10 baht each. At a different market, they were 15. I thought I was getting ripped off then. Thank you. Wow. Okay. Spring rolls. Many different kinds. See, this one's got corn in it. Many kinds of spring rolls. Oh, you got attacked by hornets. Sorry. I'm not used to random people that speak English walking by. It's got a few bees around. Steamed buns. Oh, look at this. Baby pineapple. Chiang Rai pineapple. Good taste. Better than the normal pineapple. I think that's it, guys. Whoa. Not ready yet. Hello, darling. I got all kinds of ladies following me tonight.
How?
Jing Jing?
Why?
I don't know. It must be my awesome personality or definitely not my good looks. Okay, right across the road from all the food we just saw is a lot more food and tables. A lot of tables. And there's a lady over here pounding on the coconut. Sausage. The washing up station. Gotta clean your place somewhere, right? Oh, let's go see what's over here. It's a bit early, so it's not busy, but it will be busy really, really soon. This lady's combing her hair. We got some kind of soup here. I don't know what it is. Maybe joke, huh? Rice soup. The walkway here is only a foot wide, huh? Boiled eggs. And there's some more of that pork belly. Fried pork belly. That stuff is really, really dangerously delicious, let me tell you. And another one. Soup. Look at the pot of fried garlic. Right here, that one. Pot full of fried garlic. That looks like pig's ears. The lady that's brushing her hair, combing her hair, she's got fried shrimp. Wow. Beautiful. Very good, yeah. Look at all the smoke up there. I bet that's really good. See, he's got a pile of forks and spoons, huh? You think these guys don't turn over a lot of business in the night? Fried chicken, steamed chicken, steamed chicken. This pork is the red pork, mudang. And there you go, it's the fried pork belly again. Move up. Taxis. Lots of taxis. Can go. Call moo. One of my favorites, stewed leg of pork. And it looks really good with lots of eggs. This one is making donuts. Lots of donuts by the look of it. Look at the size of the wok. You could deep fry a buffalo in there. A piece at a time, of course. Beautiful, huh? When you do it every day, you make it look easy. And here's what they look like when they're done. And you get dipping sauce to go with them. This is pandan leaf. I'm not sure what the other one is. I think I might go for a smoothie here soon. Hello.
Hello.
But we gotta go finish the video off with the smoke. This draws them in every time. It always works. At least for me. Oh yes. Look at that. Very busy road. They just pull up, don't even get out of the car, put in their order, stop traffic, no problem. She's tending the grill through the window. Got my smoothie.
Avocado.
Avocado?
Orange. And then falang.
Oh, it tastes all right. They got orange juice in it, yeah?
Yeah.
Orange juice, avocado, and guava. Okay, what do we got here? This is chicken, yeah? Yeah, chicken. Catfish. A split chicken. Real small one. She's working the grill from the other side. Look at this. Got a pile of stuff cooked over here sitting. There we go, there we go. He's putting on the magic now. Nobody won't give up their secret as to what's in this basting sauce. Unbelievable, huh? Think that's hot? That is very hot. All right, guys, well, that's it. I thought I was at where the gate is, but this isn't just another entrance to the old city, not the gate. I am going to the gate, but there's so much food right here. Holy man, unbelievable. You just want to stay here? There's a lot of food here, that's for sure. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I gotta go. As always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. You hear that? Just chopping up some pork. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. She is not impressed with me. A new lady come here. Wow, it's got a flap to cover up his smokestack. That's pretty good. But it's put on with PVC pipe.